Hi there folks, it's me again with another enthralling video. I thought it was time that we did some experimentation with Super Lineup. So here are 100 credits.
My turn.
And I'll explain what I've done if I ever get the chance. So if you've been watching any of the most recent videos, you'll see that I've doctored the program to take out one of its main lines of defences against allowing you to win too much. Because normally when you press the start button, it comes up with 3 random symbols like that and then decides if it's happy to give them to you. So it sometimes doesn't give you the first set of symbols or even the second or third set if it doesn't like the result of that appearing on the reels. So what I've done with this one is something very similar. It will give you the first set of symbols that it thinks of, subject only to one criterion, and that is that any cash win that you get will not exceed the maximum win allowed for that particular turn. So I mentioned obviously in the last couple of videos what the maximum win per turn is. I haven't doctored this program to display it because I think it had become clear how effective it was. And there is something to be said for not knowing whether or not you're definitely going to lose a gamble. So I've not displayed it on this program. But obviously the concept is still there in the background. And normally I have to fight to keep this program's payout below down at 125%. It'll be interesting to see what it ends up with its first line of defense removed. You tend to get things like that happening, which don't tend to happen very often, even on my simulation. Never mind the real thing. Dear, oh dear. So what we'd expect to find is that we get more winds coming in on the reels, and just like that. And if we get to the upper part of the matrix, we should find that we land on things like 10 and 12 nudges a little bit more often than you might expect.
It's a half off.
Does seem to be fond of giving 2 nudges, doesn't it? Spinning that 10p sign in the middle quite a bit, isn't it? Luckily there's a bell close to it.
It's a half off.
4 nudges this time.
It's off.
Do you remember, of course, that in the standard program, I'm fighting to keep the win percentage down. Not that far from the jackpot here, are we? 6 nudges? Probably 6 nudges. The maximum win is still in effect in this program, so as Chris would say, it knows, and if it's not happy to give £3 on a particular turn, you're not going to win the appropriate gamble. Well, it had to go for the 3 bells there, which it would have had if it had got to 6 nudges. A valiant effort, I suppose.
Candy burn.
It's amazing how often the symbols give a win of some description, isn't it? Well, we're already beyond 125%. Dear me.
It's off.
I did say we might end up on some high level nudges if we ever got up there. Of course, if you've been a regular devotee of this channel, you'll have seen that almost all of my videos result in payouts above 100%. It was quite a struggle, as you can see, to keep it down to the percentages that I've quoted. Of course, these videos are a good example of how the real ones are so stacked against you. So if I have to fight very hard to keep the percentage down to 125, well.
It's off.
Yeah, so if I have to struggle to keep the percentage down, you can understand that if I struggled a little bit harder, I could reduce it below 100%. Will we get a hold here? Oh, unlucky. Excellent. We're now over 200% payout.
Candy burn.
We haven't had a cherry Anna so far, have we? How unlucky.
Candy burn.
Well, there's the final score, 206%. So yes, definitely a very salutary lesson on gambling. I will probably put this one back to its normal tight 125% next time I post a video, but I do hope that was entertaining and instructive. You can get to the stage where you're actually winning too much on these things, but obviously that wouldn't be a problem in real life. Yes, I do hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much indeed for watching. And thank you to Chris of Chris217 channel for inspiring me with all this nonsense and helping me out so much over the years. No doubt I shall post another enthralling video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.